Hi guys, welcome to Money Lux. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 15 easy businesses to start from home that earn big. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Buy products in bulk and sell them online. Many businesses center on the simple concept of importing products in bulk and selling them individually for a profit. Maybe you recently traveled abroad and came across unique products that aren't readily available in your market, but that you sense an appetite for. Or maybe you've zeroed in on a niche market and know the perfect way to serve it. You can even initially use your home as a showroom to sell locally, giving you the option to expand with additional storage space and employees as you validate your idea and sales start to ramp up. This is how Artemis Design Co. got its start. 2. Sell homemade products. If you're a maker yourself or know someone who is, consider turning that hobby into a business. Even if you have to create your products elsewhere, in a studio, commercial kitchen, or workshop, you may be able to store and sell them in your own home. When you have the ability to control nearly every aspect of the products you sell, you can make them more cost-effective, improve their quality, or cater them to a certain audience by targeting demand in the market. 3. Freelance graphic designer. Set your own hours, choose your projects, and build a portfolio and business you're proud of. From website design to blog graphics and more, many companies seek out experienced graphic designers for support on a variety of projects. If you're just starting out with graphic design, try these tips and tricks that are ideal for beginners. If you're more experienced but need to build your portfolio to attract clients, these prompts will get your creativity flowing in no time. We also recommend reviewing other people's work on portfolio websites to get a feel for what is trendy and receive feedback as you grow your small business. 4. Start a dropshipping store. So far, we've covered business ideas that require you to hold inventory in your home. But there are a variety of online businesses ideas to pursue that don't involve worrying about inventory and shipping. These businesses employ a dropshipping model, where a third party produces, stores, and ships your products on your behalf, leaving marketing and customer service as your chief responsibilities. Retailer Subtle Asian Treats is an example of a home-based business that uses a dropshipper. Your dropshipping supplier can be local or overseas, but you need to ensure you find a supplier you can trust to deliver a consistently great customer experience after the sale. Always do your due diligence, or you might put your business reputation at risk. There are even Shopify apps such as Deezers that can connect you with suppliers to import products into your own store while streamlining order fulfillment. At its core, dropshipping involves becoming a distributor of a third party's products, taking on the costs, both financial and time-based, of marketing to be rewarded with the margins when you make a sale. In many cases, this can make your products a commodity with limited opportunity to brand your customer experience. 5. Start a print-on-demand business. Using a similar dropshipping model, a print-on-demand business doesn't require you to hold any inventory or ship anything yourself. Print-on-demand even offers you more flexibility to customize white-label products with your own creative designs. There are many other print-on-demand products you can sell: books, hats, backpacks, blankets, pillows, mugs, shoes, hoodies, phone cases, watches, and more, depending on the supplier you choose to work with. Many print-on-demand businesses focus on serving a specific niche or, better yet, a shared identity. What are people passionate about and proud to share? What about yourself? From pet owners to vegans to gamers, there are plenty of passionate communities you can create products for. If you have the skills, you can create your own designs. But if not, you can always hire the talent you need. 6. Offer online services. Services are even simpler than products to start selling at home, but the challenge is allocating your limited time. Time is money is never truer than when you're running a service-based business. Creative professionals, like designers or marketers, might freelance or consult with other companies, juggling multiple clients, often remotely from their own home office, with occasional travel. Others might operate based on appointments and bookings to offer their services to individuals directly. 7. Teach online classes. Chris Carey, one of the founders of MA Performance, started his automotive parts and services business from the comfort of home. He began by teaching car maintenance and repair tips to online users in forums. After establishing expertise and trust, people started heading over to his e-commerce site to buy parts. If you have a teachable skill, you not only can share that knowledge in forums to get your name out there, you can also turn it into online courses. There's an audience for just about any desirable skill, whether it's English as a second language, advanced marketing, or everyday home maintenance hacks. 8. Turn your pet into an influencer. Pet influencers are all over social media, promoting brands like BarkBox and inspiring thousands of likes with their cuteness. If you got a pet of your own, you could turn them into a social media influencer and work with brands to promote their products online. 9. Sell unwanted items. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, they're also looking for ways to adjust their shopping habits to support sustainability. Resale clothing is a $4 billion industry in the US alone. 10. Play video games. While many may think video games are a waste of time, it's a hobby that can actually turn a profit. And there's nothing more home-based than sitting on your couch in front of your TV. Sports and video game streaming platforms like Twitch have opened the door for gamers to gain notoriety and, eventually, money from their talents. The esports industry alone is worth more than $1.5 billion, and a Twitch streamer can get up to 100,000 viewers at a time. So how do you monetize this? Sponsorships are one of the best ways to start a home-based competitive gaming business. Companies will pay you to play their games and stream it to your audience. Video gaming is even known to be a great resume booster. Note, though, that all of the above requires some level of gaming skill. 11. Resume writer. Creating a resume, cover letter, and, when necessary, portfolio for a new job can be tough and time-consuming. That's why many people hire help. Assist clients with tailored resumes, beautifully edited cover letters, and carefully crafted portfolios that make it impossible for employers to ignore. 12. Freelance writer. If you have writing skills, there's someone out there willing to pay you for them. Write blog posts, magazine articles, and website copy galore. Just make sure you have a body of work built up to share with potential clients. Even if you create a few sample pieces to have on hand, they'll help exhibit your work and attract new business. There are no educational requirements to freelance writing, but you do need strong writing skills. It also helps to enjoy writing. While a certification may be beneficial, getting practice and writing every day is more important. Try these writing prompts to start. 13. Photographer. Start by conducting photo shoots for your family and friends. As you build a body of work, ask for referrals and reviews. Photography businesses often grow by word of mouth, so create a Facebook page where you can tag recent clients. Photos where you tag those clients will show up in their friends' news feeds, where they can view your work. You can also ask them to leave reviews on your Facebook business page. 14. Clothing boutique owner. If you dream of building your own fashion empire, why not start with a local boutique? Build buzz with impressive clothing styles, inspiring social media accounts, and heavy community involvement. While you can open a physical store, you can easily start online. And if that proves profitable, you can open up a local shop. 15. Food truck owner. Always dreamt of owning a restaurant, but not quite ready to take the plunge? Test out your concepts. With a food truck, it's a great way to become familiar with food and restaurant licensing in your state, see what people like and don't like, and build a ravenous following before ever opening or investing in a brick-and-mortar location. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.